Welcome to Close More Deals with Snap, a B2B sales workshop, where we dive into the revolutionary sales methodology that's changing the game for B2B sales professionals worldwide. I'm here to guide you through the ins and outs of Snap selling, developed by Jill Conrath, designed to help you engage more effectively with today's busy buyers. Let's get started. In today's fast-paced business world, buyers are overwhelmed. They're bombarded with information, making them anxious, distracted, and resistant to change. Enter Snap Selling, a methodology crafted to cut through the noise. SNAP stands for Simple, Invaluable, Always Align, and Raise Priorities. Let's break these down. First, keep it simple. The goal here is clarity. Make your pitch straightforward and easy to digest. Overloading prospects with too much information only leads to decision paralysis. Next, be invaluable. In a sea of competition, standing out is key. Position yourself as a trusted advisor, someone who brings immediate value to the table. Then, always align. Your sales approach must mirror the buyer's needs and goals. It's about offering solutions that resonate, making the choice obvious for the buyer. Lastly, raise priorities. Focus on what truly matters to your buyer. Highlight the urgency and importance of their high-priority issues, making your solution not just wanted but needed. Snap Selling, detailed in Conrath's book Snap Selling, Speed Up Sales and Win More Business with Today's Frazzled Customers, is more than a methodology. It's a strategic approach tailored for today's B2B markets. Buyers are under immense pressure with little time to spare. Snap Selling addresses this head-on, providing a pathway to not only grab their attention but to keep it. While Snap Selling offers a robust framework for engaging with frazzled customers, it's not a catch-all. Products or services requiring complex explanations may need a more nuanced approach. However, the core principles of Snap can still enhance the effectiveness of these conversations. And that wraps up the first part of our workshop on Snap Selling. We've laid the foundation, understanding the what and why behind this impactful methodology. Next, we'll delve into the 4 steps of Snap. In our previous session, we introduced you to the transformative world of Snap Selling. Now we're diving deeper into the heart of this methodology by breaking down its 4 basic components. These are the pillars that make Snap Selling so effective in engaging today's overwhelmed buyers. Let's explore each one. First up, keep it simple. In a world cluttered with information, simplicity is your best friend. The goal here is to streamline your message and process, making it as straightforward as possible for your prospect. By eliminating complexity, you make it easier for them to understand your offering, and more importantly, to make a decision. Remember, clarity leads to action. Next, we have be invaluable. In the competitive landscape of B2B sales, being seen as just another vendor isn't enough. You need to position yourself as a trusted advisor. This means rapidly showcasing your expertise and the value you bring to the table. When you're invaluable, you're not just offering a product or service, you're providing solutions that make a real difference. Moving on to always align. This component emphasizes the importance of ensuring your sales approach resonates with your prospects' business objectives and core beliefs. It's about speaking their language and demonstrating that you truly understand their needs and challenges. When your solution aligns perfectly with their goals, the path to a successful sale becomes much clearer. Lastly, raise priorities. In every business, certain issues take precedence over others. Identifying and focusing on these high-priority concerns is crucial. By demonstrating how your solution addresses these urgent needs, you create a sense of importance and urgency around the purchasing decision. It's about making your offering not just desirable, but necessary. To recap, the 4 basic components of Snap Selling, keep it simple, be invaluable, always align, and raise priorities, form a powerful framework for engaging and winning over today's busy buyers. By integrating these principles into your sales strategy, you position yourself for greater success and more closed deals. In the next part, we'll explore how to apply these principles in real-life sales scenarios. We're moving from theory to action. How can you integrate Snap Selling into your sales strategy effectively? Regardless of what you're selling, whether it's an innovative application or a game-changing service, these guidelines will aid you in rendering your sales process more dynamic, captivating, and ultimately victorious. So let's take the leap. The first step is to simplify your sales process. Ensure that the product's value proposition is streamlined, concentrating on the crucial advantages that cater to your prospect's specific needs. Do away with any unnecessary details and deliver a crystal clear, succinct message that resonates with your intended audience. Remember, in the world of sales, simplicity is key. It's about making the complex understandable, stripping it down to its bare essentials, and communicating that in the most effective way possible. Secondly, position yourself as invaluable. This involves transcending the traditional boundaries of merely selling a product or service. Demonstrate a profound understanding of your prospect's industry, its intricacies and challenges. Offer insights that delve deeper, illustrating how your product uniquely tackles their issues. When you bring authentic value to the table, you become a trusted confidant, not just a seller. Make your proposal an essential part of their operations, a key that unlocks their potential for growth and success. Thirdly, align with prospects' objectives. This calls for a detailed understanding of their strategic aspirations and displaying how your product or service can aid in accomplishing them. This necessitates an exploration into their industry, their organization, and their unique hurdles. When your solution is in harmony with their targets, they'll perceive you as a collaborator in their journey to victory. Next on the list is to raise the priority of your solution. Pinpoint and address the high-priority challenges your prospects are facing. Emphasize the immediate ROI of your product, its pivotal benefits, and the risks linked with inaction. This creates a sense of urgency and positions your offering as a top priority. Make them realize that your solution is not a luxury, but a necessity. Furthermore, leverage technology. Make use of CRM and sales enablement tools to comprehend your prospects in a better fashion. These digital aids can provide priceless insights into their behaviors, preferences, and pain points, enabling you to customize your approach in a way that resonates with them. Moving on, embrace continuous learning and adaptation. The commercial landscape is in a state of constant evolution, and so should your sales strategy. Stay abreast of industry trends and feedback, and fine-tune your strategy to ensure your snap selling approach remains as potent as it can be. Lastly, invest in training and coaching. Your sales team needs to be adept in snap selling principles and techniques. Regular training and coaching sessions can help them sharpen these skills and apply them efficaciously in their sales interactions. Implementing the snap selling method into your sales strategy isn't just about adopting a new technique. It's about transforming your approach to connect with today's B2B buyers on a deeper level. Follow these steps to make your sales process more effective and watch as your deals close faster and more frequently. After learning how to implement snap selling into your sales strategy, it's crucial to address the road ahead. Yes, snap selling offers a powerful framework, but like any methodology, it comes with its set of challenges. Let's navigate these common hurdles and reveal strategies to overcome them, ensuring your path to sales success is as smooth as possible. First, we tackle the challenge of overcoming information overload. In an era where buyers are bombarded with endless data, standing out is no small feat. The key? Focus on clarity. Simplify your messaging to cut through the clutter. By presenting your solution in a clear and understandable manner, you make it easier for buyers to see the value you offer. Next, simplifying complex solutions. This can seem daunting. How do you convey the intricacies of your offering without diluting its value? The solution lies in focusing on the benefits that matter most to your buyers. Highlight how your solution solves their specific problems in simple terms. Remember, simplicity doesn't mean insignificant, it means accessible. In a crowded market, differentiation is everything. To stand out, you must not only be seen, but also be remembered. Position yourself as an invaluable resource. Understand your buyer's industry and challenges deeply, and offer tailored insights and solutions. Demonstrating unique value is your ticket to capturing and retaining buyer interest. Aligning with the buyer's priorities can often feel like hitting a moving target, especially when those needs are not clearly articulated. The strategy? Personalize your approach. Take the time to understand your buyer's specific needs and objectives, and align your sales strategy accordingly. Show them you're not just selling a product, but offering a solution that speaks directly to their situation. Lastly, leverage technology to streamline your sales process. Use CRM and sales enablement tools not just for efficiency, but to gain deeper insights into your prospects' preferences and behaviors. This enables you to tailor your approach and ensures your team has the information they need to engage prospects effectively. Implementing snap selling may come with its challenges, but with these strategies, you're well equipped to overcome them. Focus on clarity, value, personalization, and leveraging technology to not just meet but exceed buyer expectations. In the final installment of our series on Snap, we're zooming in on a crucial aspect of this methodology, understanding which products and services are ideally matched with Snap selling. Not all products are created equal, and the effectiveness of your sales approach can hinge on aligning your strategy with the right type of offering. Let's uncover the characteristics of products that thrive under Snap selling. The first category we're looking at is complex solutions. These aren't your standard run-of-the-mill products or services. Instead, they are laden with a plethora of features, benefits, and applications that make them valuable. Moreover, they require a nuanced and tailored sales approach to fully articulate their value to the prospective buyer. This is where Snap selling truly excels. It thrives in complexity, cutting through it like a knife through butter, focusing on the key benefits that resonate most with your customers. Following complex solutions, we have the world of B2B products. The business-to-business realm is a highly dynamic environment where buying decisions can involve multiple stakeholders. Each of these stakeholders has their unique set of concerns, priorities, and expectations. Selling in such a complex ecosystem requires a sales strategy that's simple yet effective, value-driven, and well-aligned with the stakeholders' needs. Snap, with its focus on simplicity, value, and alignment, makes it a powerful tool for navigating the intricate dynamics of B2B sales. High-value offerings also stand to benefit immensely from Snap selling. When the stakes are high and the investment is significant, Snap selling helps justify the cost by demonstrating undeniable value and aligning closely with the buyer's strategic goals and priorities. This helps show the undeniable value of these offerings. It aligns closely with the buyer's strategic goals and priorities, thereby providing a compelling justification of the cost. In crowded markets, differentiation becomes a key challenge. Snap selling enables products to stand out by simplifying the decision-making process for buyers and clearly articulating what sets your offering apart. This is where Snap selling works like a charm. It simplifies the decision-making process for buyers by clearly articulating what sets your offering apart. It highlights the unique value proposition of your product or service, enabling it to stand out from the crowd. Lastly, let's talk about innovative or disruptive technologies. These are the trailblazers, the game changers that introduce groundbreaking technologies or challenge the status quo. Such products find a perfect ally in Snap selling. Snap helps demystify complex concepts associated with these products and aligns these innovations with the buyer's vision for success. In conclusion, it's clear that Snap is not just a methodology. It is, in fact, a strategic approach tailored to match the complexities and high-value aspects of B2B sales. Whether you're offering a sophisticated software solution, an innovative product, or a revolutionary service, integrating Snap selling into your strategy can propel your sales efforts to incredible heights, far beyond what you might have thought possible. Remember, the essence of Snap selling is about making it as easy as possible for your buyers to say yes. By focusing on simplicity, delivering undeniable value, aligning with your customers' objectives, and prioritizing their most pressing needs, you can transform the sales experience for both your team and your prospects. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content designed to help you excel in the world of B2B sales. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Snap selling. Here's to closing more deals with Snap.